Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this device. First we need to press and hold the Up/Menu button to open the menu. Once you open the menu, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you find the System option and tap on it. Now scroll down, find the option called Touch and tap on it, and here we can customize the touchscreen settings. For example, we have option called General Use. If you disable the touchscreen for the general use, the touch, you won't be able to move through the system, basically navigate the system with the touchscreen. It's gonna be disabled completely. If you want to enable it back on, you need to use the physical buttons to do it. Next option is during the activity. So if you're performing some activity and you're tracking it on your watch, as you can see by default it's turned off, the touchscreen. But you can turn it on if you want to by tapping the switch, like that. And last option we have during the sleep. So if the watch detects sleeping and you want to prevent some mistouches on your screen, you can disable the touchscreen during the sleep and that won't happen. This option could be useful while you're sleeping, while you're swimming, for example, because the touchscreen will be going crazy if you're swimming, because the water is conductive, of course, and the general use, basically if you don't want to use it at all. But I don't recommend that because it's so much simpler to use the touchscreen instead of physical buttons. Okay, and that's how you lock the touchscreen basically. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.